Hello friends, today we are going to learn another interesting Excel trick wherein we will be learning to use the Ctrl+G command, the go to special command, and then another command to perform totaling in a particular blank cell. So let us begin. Here we have a data sheet wherein there are list of computer components listed with their amounts for each quarter, that is for quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. Now for example purposes we have taken 4 quarters only. The list can be a long list having lots of quarters or lot many months or years detail. Now how to perform the totaling of this particular column to get the quarterly total sales of the computer components. Now one way is to go to each and every blank cell. These are the highlighted cells. These are the blank cells which we have shown in deep orange color. Now these are the blank cells. One way is to add a formula manually like this. Select these rows and then enter so as to get the total for this particular thing. Then we copy this formula onto this cell and this cell and then paste it. But this is a manual method. We don't want to do this. How do we do this then in another way or the shortcut way? So what we will be doing is we will be first identifying the blank cells over here in this particular column. So how do we do it? We first select this particular column on which the mathematical operation is to be performed. Then we will click Ctrl and G, and sooner we click on Ctrl G, there is a go to command pop-up box which appears on the screen, and then we press on special, and sooner we get a go to special pop-up box. Here there are various options, out of which we will be choosing blank as an option, and you can see that the Excel has highlighted the blank cells like this. Here each and every blank cell is now selected. It may not be very clear because they are already highlighted by a different color, but here you can see that they have got a little darkened because of the selection. Now we will have to simply press Alter and equals, and Excel performs all the mathematical functions to complete the calculation over here. I hope this particular trick will prove useful in your day-to-day working. If you have liked this particular video, please press the like button. In case you want regular updates of the new videos uploaded on the channel, please do subscribe to the channel to get regular updates of the videos uploaded. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.